Welcome to Buy, Hold, Sell. My name's Matthew Kidman. Today we're talking the share market with Jeff Wilson. Jeff, is the bear market over and have we bottomed?
Yes and yes. The bear market is over and we have bottomed. 2012 has been a surprisingly good year for equities. There's only been 1 month where the market's been down, that was in May. Every other month the market's been flat or up. 2013 with lower interest rates, we will see the market move higher. So I'm bullish.
We probably have. It's hard to believe that given where interest rates are, that the Australian share market can fall anywhere near its recent low of about 3,900.
Right, so we will not see that level again?
You might see it in your lifetime, but you won't see it in this cycle, this economic cycle. We're going into the growth part of the market, the recovery. How quickly it recovers is debatable.
And are we, if we're out of the bear market, that's been with us for nearly 5 years, are we in a new bull market that's going to last a long time?
No, because we're not going to see the previous peak for quite a long time, which was 6,800. So remember, we're 4,500. There's a long way to go to get back to that to declare this a bull market.
And would you like to give a time prediction on reaching that old high?
You might see it by the end of the decade. You might.
I think the Australian market's going to go lower over 2013. In terms of whether we've seen a bottom or not, well, in 2012, we obviously went into the 3,000s for the ASX 200. I think we can get close to that level again. It's difficult to see the Australian market rising in 2013, and there's a lot of headwinds that the Australian market's facing in terms of the domestic economy and the domestic focused sectors that can really bring us lower from the starting point.
So 2013, no good. When do we start to rise and rise on a regular basis?
In the back half of 2013, assuming our current base case, which is that policymakers in Australia do catch up to the curve and do inject more policy stimulus into the economy, both fiscal and monetary, that domestic tailwind we should start to get in the latter part of 2013, coupled with an improving international environment. So it is really around Q3, Q4 2013 that we start to find a bottom and hopefully move up.
All right, go out on a limb. When do we surpass the old high on the All Ords, which is about 6,800, was reached in November 2007? When do we go past that again?
Well, it's difficult to see it happening over 2013 and indeed 2014. Potentially into 2015 we would see it, but a lot of it, as with much of the world right now, is up to what policymakers' actions are.